Get our new herbal snoring product today with our exclusive limited time offer at trybioterraherbs.com, now available at Walmart and other great retailers. What do car alarms, a jackhammer, and your Aunt Mildred, the one who shamelessly talks throughout the entire movie, have in common? They are loud and annoying. You know what else fits in with this cluster of obnoxious sounds? Snoring. This little bottle is your loved one's new best friend. Everyone deserves a good and quiet night's sleep, so show some love and silence the beast.